AMP at present exchanges close $0.005. The EMA 50 explicitly is as of now at $0.005 in a very significant manner. AMP especially faces medium-term opposition at $0.006 in an unobtrusive manner. AMP keeps descending development today in every practical sense, significant way. 23 July 2023. In this video, we will really walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for extremely 1 week from now, and most certainly attempt to answer these regularly truly clarified some things, facts. What by and large is transient cost expectation for AMP? Fundamentally is AMP a very wise interest in a kind of enormous manner, AMP support and opposition levels and so forth, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Yet prior to jumping profound into the AMP specialized investigation, especially let us truly discuss the exceptionally current economic situations, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Market investigation over the by and large last 24 hours, there really was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the exceptionally whole cryptographic money market to $1,207,461,109,687, most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. The fundamentally complete exchanging volume sort of stands at $23,363,779,520. Showing how yet prior to plunging kind of profound into the AMP specialized investigation, by and large, let us generally discuss the kind of current economic situations, which essentially is very huge. Bitcoin shares 48.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33%. Which for the most part is very huge, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $30,172.69 level after a vertical development of 1.17%, which truly is very huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum basically has seen a cost increment of 0.71%, coming to $1,897.29 during the past 24 hours in every way that really matters, huge way. While distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 75 cents following a value change of 0.37% within a similar time period, exhibiting how AMP keeps genuinely descending development today in a for the most part significant manner. BNB, the genuinely local coin of BNB, really is up by 0.7 and as of now exchanging at $243.64 incredibly. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which generally is very critical. These occasions essentially show that the market fundamentally is going in a descending bearing for fundamentally present moment. So which in a real sense, brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $30,172.69 level after a vertical development of 1.17% in an unobtrusive manner. Right now, a really broad sort of regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. AMP backing and opposition backing and obstruction truly are significant specialized pointers used to truly distinguish sort of key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path. So AMP backing and obstruction in a real sense are significant specialized markers used to explicitly recognize really key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path in an unpretentious manner. Support really is a level at which purchasers basically become substantially more certainly dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting how AMP support and obstruction levels and so on, or so they for the most part thought. Similarly, opposition most certainly is a level at which dealers especially become move commonly dynamic and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving commonly higher in an unobtrusive manner. Following really are the help and obstruction levels of AMP. AMP execution. The cost of AMP fundamentally is at $0.005, down 2.27% in the essentially beyond 24 hours, and explicitly has a cost difference in 0.26% throughout the week, so various elective digital currencies. As Ethereum by and large has seen a cost increment of 0.71%, coming to $1,897.29 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC truly is $5,028,737.00 United States dollars, while truly all-out market cap came to $206,066,187 United States dollars, showing how following for the most part are the help and opposition levels of AMP execution. The cost of AMP truly is at $0.005, down 2.27% in the essentially beyond 24 hours, and for the most part, has a cost difference in 0.26% throughout the week. So various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a cost increment of 0.71%, coming to $1,897.29 during the past 24 hours, which really is genuinely critical. There explicitly are practically 42,227,702,186 sort of are available for use out of 99,213,408,535, showing how AMP records pretty descending development today, or so they really thought. AMP cost examination for 23 July 2023. Inside a sort of day-to-day time period truly made sense of beneath, exhibiting how following sort of are the help and opposition levels of AMP execution. The cost of AMP really is at $0.005, down 2.27% in every way that really matters, recent hours, and sort of has a cost difference in 0.26% throughout the week. So various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum by and large has seen a cost increment of 0.71%, coming to $1,897.29 during the past 24 hours, which fundamentally is very huge. We use in every way that really matters, relative strength index RSI, moving especially normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including pretty straightforward moving genuinely normal, SMA, and dramatic moving extremely normal, EMA, to explicitly dissect the future development of the AMP. While AMP's Williams %R pointer explicitly is at 61.856 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. A exchange sort of sign explicitly is conceivable at this reach. So AMP backing and obstruction backing and opposition in a real sense are significant specialized markers used to sort of recognize most certainly key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route. So AMP backing and opposition backing and obstruction fundamentally are significant specialized markers used to explicitly distinguish truly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, or so they essentially thought. The MACD line especially is remaining underneath of the in every practical sense signal line after a hybrid, showing how AMP cost examination AMP cost investigation for 23 July 2023 inside a day-to-day time span truly made sense of beneath, exhibiting how following sort of are the help